Hi, and welcome to STEM. In case you don't know, STEM stands for Science, Technology, Engineering, and Math. I'm your teacher, Miss Luffelholtz. This is my 18th year of teaching, and I'm so glad that you're in my class. I have two children, Aiden and Caden. They are twins, and they are freshmen at the high school this year. I also do a lot of things with my nephews, Raiden and Brock, like going to Frontier City and hanging out. We also have an RV that we like to go and travel in over the summer and over breaks. In addition to my two boys, I have two furry boys that make our house a fun place to be. Buster is the little brown weenie dog, and our newest addition is Stumpy. He's a Regal, which is part Rottweiler and part Beagle, and he has made our lives so much fun. These are the expectations for STEM class. Be responsible for using our materials wisely and for cleaning up your area. The entire school gets to come to STEM, so we all have to take care of the materials here. Be ready to do your best every day, to listen to everyone's ideas, and to listen and follow directions. To show respect to the teacher, to the equipment, and to yourself and each other. When you come into my classroom, you will come in, get a pump of hand sanitizer, and go sit at your assigned seat. Once you're seated, you can check out what we're doing today. The goals for our class, as well as the daily target, are right there on the wall as you sit down. So check it out and see what's going to be happening in STEM today. The people who will be helping get stuff done in class are the STEM helpers. I will have my little Mario poster there with the seat helper for the week highlighted. You can see on the tables there's spots 1, 2, 3, 4, and that correlates with Mario's seat helper chart. If you need to borrow a pencil, sometimes I will have pencils already on the tables, or you can borrow a pencil from the pencil dispenser by my desk. Also, there's the shelf there that has all of the supplies that you need to borrow during class, such as crayons, colored pencils, and markers. Something new this year is a doorbell. This is going to be how I get your attention to move from one activity to the other. Here's what it sounds like. When you hear that, you will know that it's time to move to the next activity, whether that be cleaning up for the day or moving from the carpet to the tables. These are the drill and emergency procedures for STEM. If we have a tornado emergency or drill, we will go out to the pod and we will duck and cover by the boys' restroom. Once we are there, I will call attendance, so you will try to be very quiet and listen for your name. If it is a true tornado emergency, we will go into the boys' restroom and duck and cover in there. In the event of a fire drill or emergency, we will go out the back door, which is between my two pencil sharpeners in the back of the room. Then we will go up onto the grassy area by the pavilion that's on the playground. You can see in the picture where that will be. Once we're there, I'm going to call attendance, so you want to be very quiet and listen for your name so that we make sure we get everybody out safe. In the event of a lock-in, which just means that we keep working, we lock the doors, and we move on with our day. We would pull the black lock cover off of the door, and then we would pull the door shut. My door stays locked all the time, except that lock cover keeps it from latching. So then we would go and just keep working. However, if we had an intruder drill or emergency, then we would go ahead and pull the lock cover off, shut the door, but we would turn the lights out and we would sit on the floor over here by tables 8 and 9 by the STEM store and the STEM warehouse. We would sit there quietly. This is a good location for us because you can't see it if you're looking in my door. And unless you've been in my room, you don't know that that part exists. At the end of class, you will wait to be dismissed by Miss Leffelholtz before you leave. This class is a lot different than 4th and 5th grade STEM. There's a lot of opportunity to do fun stuff in here, and we have a lot of time together, and I look forward to the projects that we're going to get to do.